Hi guys, it's me, Zoriana, and today we will be making chocolate muffins! Or don't even start with me. They're delicious, I promise. This recipe will make your mouth go on a flavorful journey through, well, chocolate muffins. But whatever. So these do have nuts in there, but if you are allergic to nuts, you can do something different like chocolate chips and like, let's say, white chocolate or white chocolate chips and different types of mixtures. I would really like one gummy bear, but they're still nice. So let's get right into it by Bezalel Food. Now sieve all your dry ingredients. So if you do like that and that won't be very good. So the main ingredients are flour, cocoa flour, baking powder, and baking soda. And the measurements will be in the description below so you can get at the right measurements. So you just want to sieve it so you don't have any like crusty and hard bits. See those bits, that's why you sieve it, or else it'll be bad. Add sugar and mix, then touch the side. Then you can see how the cocoa powder was like brown up, and now it's starting to get a bit drier. You can see that. In a separate bowl, add the wet ingredients, which are eggs, buttercream, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Vanilla extract, which makes it nice, which makes that good flavor come in. Like, ooh wee. And remember to like and subscribe, please, for the little kitty cat. Meow. Meow. Then you want to whisk it combined. Before I got rudely interrupted, but whatever. Please like and subscribe for the little kitty cat. Meow. Meow. And remember to hit the subscription button or whatever it is. Add your dry ingredients in, and then you want to mix it. That's why you do it separate, or else it'll just be one lump of something. As you can see, as she's mixing it, it gets smoother. And then you add the last part of it. Then you want to mix. Then you'll have this kind of like smooth, like if you're feeling cream before, like cream but with chocolate in it, that's how it'll be like when you mix it a lot. So you want the strong muscles to do it, just like my mom. So you just want to mix. As you can see, it's coming. Now this is how it should look like at the end. Add coffee, and it has to be hot because it won't work. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this has caffeine in it. So this will keep you nice and awake, which will give you a lot of, let's say, energy. So if parents have to recommend this to them because it has caffeine, so it'll keep them awake if they have any meetings. Well, if they do have any meetings. I just want to mix it, and then now you can see like it's becoming like some kind of like, it's not lumpy but like smooth mixture. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a nice mixture. Okay, let's carry on. So now you can see we have 3 colors of different muffins. Now you want to fill the muffins case 3/4 up, or else. So if you do it all the way up, when it comes out, it'll start like falling, and that won't be good. So when you start it, if it's all the way to the top, it'll start dripping. So when it comes up, it won't look very nice. That's why you need to do it 3/4, or else it won't come out. That's good. Now I want to do the last part. And then do the last part. If you're wondering why we didn't do the last one, it's because we didn't have enough mixture. Top it off with chocolate chips and mixed up. Warning, big warning. If you're allergic to nuts, do not put nuts in them. If you are allergic to nuts, but if you're not allergic to nuts, do whatever you want. And you could actually do it with different toppings. Make the mixture, but you can do it with different toppings, like white chocolate chips and white chocolate. But my mom's doing it with nuts because we really like nuts in our family. And chocolate chips. Now that started to make me hungry. As you can see, she's put on the nuts now. So remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification button. That's what I was trying to say. And not the subscription. Oh yeah, and you'll see the other channels in the subscription too, actually. Bake it to 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until the top comes out clean. That's why I said do 3/4 or else it won't turn out as good. So just imagine, if you did it to the top, that would have been bad. If you see what my mum does, she's doing it, and see she's poking it into it to make the texture is really good. And voila, we have made the chocolate muffins. Looks nice, huh? So really subscribe to see more recipes that my mom makes, because literally they are the best. I tried one and I wanted to eat even more than usual. They're mouth-watering, trust me. If you taste one, your mouth will be on a flavorous journey. So, bye for now.